just to start again. Morning light finds lines on my face, but I've learned to move at a kind of pace. Plans I made didn't all come true. Some roads bent, some I outgrew. Still I found in the changing view, what stays with you is what you choose. We're just walking this road, step by step in time. Little sparks in a grand design. Every year brings a clearer sight. There's a quiet grace in another sunrise. No need to race what we can't control. Every mile shapes the heart and soul. I believe as the days unfold, there's a kind of strength in growing old. I chased every mile. Now I linger just to rest a while. Windows down with a slower song. Let the moment carry me along. Used to think the best was gone too fast, like joy was tied to a fading past. But the truth has a way of showing through. Some of the best comes later on for you. We're just walking this road, step by step in time. Little sparks in a grand design. Every year brings a softer view of the things that really matter to you. Through the turns and the highs and lows, there's a peace that the heart can know. And I see as the days unfold, there's a quiet gift in growing old. I won't forget where I've been before. Every lesson opened up a door. Time moves on, it won't slow down, but there's beauty just walking this road, step by step in time. Little sparks in a grand design. And the more that I live and learn, the more I see what's truly